How to turn on link previews in Signal or turn them off. The Signal app is focused on privacy and encryption, but it includes rich features found in other messaging apps like WhatsApp and iMessage. To turn this on or off, do the following. Start by opening the Signal app on your Android device. Tap on the three dots menu. Tap Settings. Tap on Privacy. Scroll down at the bottom of this page. You will see an option called Generate Link Previews. Toggle on or off the Generate Link Preview settings. You can now navigate back to the Signal app's home screen and open a conversation. The next time you send a website to someone, it will either add a link preview automatically or only send the URL, depending on if you enable or disable the Generate Link Preview settings. This is how you turn on link preview in Signal or turn them off. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.